Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you my refreshing routine. There's a little bit of frizz here and there, so I'm just going to go in and add some product to make it look a little bit more defined. I just add some water, cream as my base, and then a gel. I'll make sure to put those in my description box, and anything else that I miss, I'll make sure to add it there as well. So I'm just adding product, and then I am finger curling every single little piece that I feel like needs some extra love. And I am gonna comb out the bigger pieces that I'm doing just to make sure there's no knots or tangles or anything like that. Okay, so once I've gone over all of the frizzy and dry parts, I am gonna go ahead and let that dry while I put on my makeup. I'm gonna start with a moisturizer. I'm actually following a TikTok that I seen. They used moisturizer first and then they went in with some setting powder. Again, I'll put all makeup details as well in the description box below. So I'm just patting in a little bit of setting powder all over my face. And then once that's all over my face, I'm going to go in with a primer. Okay, so before using the primer, I'm actually using some setting spray, letting that dry, and then I'll go ahead and add the primer. Now I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr foundation. It looks so good on my skin, very natural, one of my favorite foundations so far. So I'm going to pat that in and then go in with some concealer. I'm going to be using a concealer from Almay. So once that's all blended in, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using one of my favorite pencils from Maybelline. It has a little spoolie at the end, so you're able to brush it out, give it that feathered look, make them look really natural. I didn't want to do anything too harsh for this look, so yeah. So I'm gonna be doing like a bronzy type of look. I am no makeup artist whatsoever, so if you do have any tips, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Again, I'll be putting the palettes and all makeup that I'm using in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, leave any questions you have for me in the comment box below. Bye!